again, everyone. This is Mike from Infinity Hobby. This time I'm going to do something that I really enjoy doing. I am going to unbox a special edition Infinity Hobby and GAUI collaboration unit that is a absolutely special, beautiful edition unit that's never been seen before. We're going to uncrate it and show you some of the cool things that have been added to this unit. The first unit of its kind. Look at how beautiful this thing is. You can see in there. Yeah, this is amazing. This unit itself is, again, a collaboration between Infinity Hobby and GAUI, two of the top-end makers of any sort of drones that you can buy out on the market. I'm going to show you some of the cool additions and cool features that we've put on this thing. All right. So this basic unit is a GAUI A40, but it's a fully upgraded GAUI A40. Some of the upgrades that we've done, of course, we've used some of the Infinity Hobby stuff, the propellers, the motors, the speed controllers, and so on and so forth. And look at how absolutely beautiful the machine has turned out. With the extra, upgrades and stuff like that, not only does it look good, but it performs unbelievably well as well. So one of the first things you're going to notice about this unit is our base unit. As you can tell right off the bat, the base unit is a little bit bigger than the standard ones, and of course that's for if you want to use a bigger flight control unit or GPS units on the actual base unit, and it can also hold heavier loads. Another thing you're going to notice straight away is the foldable propellers, of course, which is done by Infinity Hobby, and I demoed those on a few videos back. Retractable arms. Which is really, really nice. Again, they're quite easy to take off to show. You just have to unscrew the one screw on the top and on the bottom, of course. And once they're out, the arms actually just click right into place. And of course you do that with all four arms on it. Alright, a few things I'd like to show you that we've done to this unit that aren't done on most of the other units. First off is this hole right here is specifically fitted for the Wukong flight controller box, so it's really easy. Take the flight controller box, stick it right inside there, and it fits perfectly. Another really beautiful feature about it is the unit actually comes 90% built into the box. So there's not really much to do as far as assembly. It's 90% assembled out of the box. Basically all you have to do is put the arms into place. When you see the back of the box, this is the 1% that's not actually done. You need to move this plate right here to line up with these four screw holes that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just basically move these two screw holes to here and these two up to here, and those are basically for your landing gear. Your landing gear is right in here, and that goes right in there. And again, that's your 1% that doesn't come assembled. The rest of the unit is right out of the box, ready to go. Alright, a few more features that this unit, again made by GAUI and Infinity Hobby, has that some others don't. The camera mounts, as you most know that are using drones, most cameras mount more towards the front than in the center of an actual unit. So they've added a plate here that can hold your battery and keep the balance weight a lot more accurate. Also, what's really, really handy about this is that these mount bars are actually adjustable. You can adjust the width to host basically almost every size and style of camera that you want to affix to your drone. Again, very, very simple. Loosen the screws off, open them up, screw them back down. Very, very simple assembly, but very, very smart designing in making it so it'll work with almost any camera unit you want to attach to the base. Alright, a few more things I want to touch on about this base that make it a little bit more unique and awesome, more than ones that are out there. You'll notice on the base that there's a bunch of holes. What these holes are for, and as you can see right now, we've attached a 4-arm, 4-motor unit onto the base, but this base is capable of having anywhere from a 3-arm, a 4-arm, a 6-arm, or an 8-arm set of arms attached to the base. The arms themselves are capable of doing a single or double motor. So if you're running anywhere from 3 arms with 2 motors, or 4 arms with 2 motors, or 1 motors, it's capable of doing all that straight out of the box. We also sell the complete arm molds on our website at infinityhobby.com. So again, it's always nice to have the extra parts and very easy to get. Another really cool feature is the top plate is exactly the same mold as the bottom plate. They're different colored on this one, but what that means is that you can actually attach dual motor, single arm dual motor systems, or you can just have it as a basic one arm one motor setup. How easy it is to get it from the box, basically with all four arms extended out. Very, very easy. You can see on here we have bolts for every arm. You only want to take off one, which is the one that would restrict it from actually going to its locking point. So you just want to unscrew those screws. There's two. There's one on the bottom and one on the top, so do remember that. And you just want to take that off and basically put the actual arm into place. And again, what's really nice about this unit is they've thought of everything. They actually have a line-up hole. So as soon as you line up that hole with the actual base of the arm, you just have to take your screw that you just took off, screw it back into the hole spot, and in 5 minutes you're up and running. All right, another thing I'd like to touch on here, which is really nice about this unit, is the actual power control hub. The power control hub in here, if you can see it, is right here inside. But what's really nice about this, we currently have, again, 4 arms hooked up, and you've got 4 ports that are capable for 4 arms. And as I mentioned before, you can use all the way up to 8 arms on this unit. But what's really nice is you don't have to do any soldering of cables or anything like that. It's just a very simple of installing the arms, running the cable, and they actually plug right into the hub, which is already built in with 8 plugs for up to 8 arms of use. Also very handy is they've already got the power supply that hooks straight up to your battery right here on the side, so it's just pretty much a plug-and-play unit. Again, even if you attach 8 arms, it's just a simple plug, run down the arm and plug into the actual power hub, and then your power supply hooks straight up to your battery. One thing I would like to mention, some people like to use longer propellers. When you do attach 8 arms to this unit, you're going to have to use shorter propellers just for the simple fact that you've got so many arms running out and they'll just be a little bit... Alright, a few more things I want to touch on. I'm going to touch on the landing gear. Again, this thing comes 99% assembled out of the box. The 1% is basically putting the arms into place, attaching the landing gear and going. Again, the landing gear to install is really, really simple. 2 basic holes. As I showed you before with the wings, you just unscrew these 2 holes, push the landing gear in, screw the screws back in, and you're ready to go. Another real beautiful thing about this is that it's retractable landing gear, and it's already got a built-in BEC. So again, these guys thought of everything. They haven't missed anything. Everything's built into the actual unit. As you can clearly see, one of the most complete units I've ever seen. Hey again guys, this is Mike from Infinity Hobby. I just wanted to let you guys know we're doing these videos up for all of our customers to let us know some of the new products that we have and some of the great things that we come across at our company. So if you like our videos, please click like and also subscribe to our channel. We really do appreciate it, and we have a lot more videos for you in the near future.